In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a domain on Shopify. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your online business is not only up and running, but also that it's professional and credible. We're going to break it down into a few easy steps, so let's get started. First, you'll want to access your domain settings in Shopify. This is your starting point. To do this, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, look for the Settings option. You'll find Domains as one of the options in this menu. Click on it, and you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the domain settings, it's time to connect your existing domain. Look for and click on the option labeled Connect Existing Domain. This is where you'll enter your domain name. For instance, if your domain is example.com, type it in and confirm. If you're lucky enough to have a domain from a provider supported by Shopify for automatic verification, the hard work is nearly over for you. You'll see an option that says Connect Automatically. This will kick off the automatic connection process. Next comes the login to your domain provider. Clicking Connect Automatically will redirect you to your domain provider's login page. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials, your username and password, to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have to grant Shopify permission to add a TXT record. This is a necessary step because it verifies that you are indeed the owner of the domain. After you've granted the necessary permissions, it's time to return to Shopify. Head back to your Shopify domain settings page. Shopify will start the domain verification process automatically from here. It's important to note that this process might take a little while, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Verifying your domain automatically is the simplest method, but remember, not all providers offer this convenience. If ever the automatic method isn't available, you'd need to do it manually by adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Shopify provides detailed instructions and a specific TXT value to make this manual process as straightforward as possible. But for automatic verification, once you've returned to your Shopify admin and the process is complete, you'll know your domain is verified when you see a confirmation message in your domain settings page. To wrap up, verifying your domain on Shopify is a blend of logging into your accounts and ensuring your domain is linked correctly. It's a small yet significant step in managing your Shopify store. So dive in, follow these steps, and you'll have your domain verified and ready in no time. Good luck and happy selling. And